Since the death of Ajit Pawar, Maharashtra politics has entered a phase of deep uncertainty and intense political activity. Questions are being raised across the state. What will happen to NCP? Who will take control of the party? Who will become the new deputy chief minister in the Fadnavis government? And will the finance minister remain with the NCP? Along with leadership changes, another big question is also emerging. Will the two factions of the NCP finally merge? All eyes are now on January 31st when a crucial meeting of the NCP Vidhayak Dal, that is MLA group, has been called. In this meeting, the party will officially elect a new leader of the NCP legislative group in the Maharashtra Assembly. Within hours after that, the political future of the party leadership will become clearer. Strong reports suggest that Sunetra Pawar, wife of Ajit Pawar, may be chosen as the new leader of the NCP legislative group. After this, another important party meeting is expected, where discussions may take place about handing over the full leadership of the NCP to Sunetra Pawar. In a significant political move, Sunetra Pawar instructed Ajit Pawar's advisor Naresh Arora to reach Baramati. Naresh Arora met Sunetra Pawar there, and the message she conveyed through him will be discussed in the MLA meeting. This has further strengthened speculation about her leadership role. At the same time, senior NCP leaders Praful Patel, Sunil Thakre and Chhagan Bhujbal have already met Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. In this meeting, they demanded that all the key departments earlier handled by Ajit Pawar should remain with the NCP. Ajit Pawar was holding major portfolios such as finance, excise, planning, sports and youth welfare and minority development. CM Fadnavis have assured NCP leaders that these departments will be given to NCP ministers. Deputy Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has also raised no objection to this arrangement. This makes a cabinet reshuffle and cabinet expansion very likely in the coming days. Reports suggest that Sunetra Pawar could be included into the cabinet and may be given charge of most of Ajit Pawar's former departments. There is also strong political speculation that she could soon become the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Praful Patel has openly indicated to the media that party leaders and workers want Sunetra Pawar to become the Deputy Chief Minister. However, the final decision will rest with Sunetra Pawar herself. Meanwhile, another major political development is unfolding. Reports claim that both factions of the NCP may merge within the next 1 or 2 weeks. This merger was already planned earlier, and Ajit Pawar was expected to announce the merger with his uncle Sharad Pawar on February 8th. After Ajit Pawar's death, the merger process has not stopped. It may only be delayed slightly. Political sources confirm that the NCP merger will happen in February. Because of this, it is believed that any decision regarding the Deputy Chief Minister post or NCP presidency will largely depend on Sharad Pawar's opinion. Leaders from the Ajit Pawar faction have clearly stated that their first and final choice is Sunetra Pawar. But the final decision will be taken by the Pawar family. And it is almost certain that both the party leaders and the Deputy Chief Minister post will remain within the Pawar family. In Maharashtra politics, the NCP's identity, leadership and emotional connect with workers continue to revolve around one name, the Pawar surname. This is not just a leadership transition, this is a power shift, a political restructuring and possibly the rebirth of a united NCP in Maharashtra.